Welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for June 20th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:15 a.m. CDT, followed by sunset at 8:29 p.m. Daylight begins to shorten, a minute or two every few days. The latest sunset begins in 3 evenings and runs through July 1st. The solstice occurs tomorrow at 9:58 a.m. CDT. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Jupiter and Saturn are in the eastern morning sky before sunrise. 1 hour before daybreak, bright Jupiter is about 20 degrees above the eastern horizon. It is moving slowly eastward compared to Aries stars, 11.2 degrees to the lower right of Hamal, the constellation's brightest stars. Through a binocular this morning, Jupiter's volcanic satellite Io is to the upper right of the planet while Ganymede, the solar system's largest moon, is to the lower left. At this hour Saturn is over 30 degrees up in the south-southeast. It is retrograding in front of Aquarius dim stars. For sky watchers with telescopes, find Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the second largest in the solar system, to the west of the planet and the rings. Mercury is technically a morning planet, but nearly impossible to see with conventional means. The planet rises 48 minutes before the sun, losing rising time compared to sunrise each morning. It passes superior conjunction with the sun on July 1st and moves into the evening sky. Its evening apparition is a challenge to see. Evening sky. The crescent moon, 8% illuminated, is low in the western sky after sundown. The moon is waxing and appearing higher in the western sky this week. The lunar orb is the fastest moving body of the visible solar system objects. It jumps eastward at about 13 degrees each night. Look carefully at the moon to see earthshine, sunlight reflected from Earth's features that gently illuminates the lunar night. A binocular helps with the sight. The moon is part of a western line dance this evening. The dance line extends over 37 degrees from Pollux to Regulus, along a diagonal line that includes brilliant Venus and Mars. Venus continues to sparkle in the western sky after nightfall. It continues to brighten and it easily outshines all the star-like bodies tonight. It is moving eastward toward Mars, 4.7 degrees to its upper left. Venus does not overtake Mars and the closest approach is 3.6 degrees on the 29th. Mars is marching eastward as well in front of Cancer's fainter stars, 11.8 degrees to the lower right of Regulus, Leo's brightest star. Tonight might be the last opportunity to see Venus and all of the Beehive star cluster in the same binocular field of view. Wait until the sky is darker. In the binocular, place Venus to the upper left of the field, the Beehive is to the lower right. Tomorrow, the Moon and Venus fit into the same field of view. Depending on the characteristics of the binocular, part of the Beehive may fit with them. Venus or Mars has fit into the same binocular field with the Beehive since May 22nd. Set an alarm to see Venus and the crescent moon together tomorrow evening. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.